I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hello everyone, this is Jessica. Welcome to my walking tour around Jericoacoar Beach in Ceara, finished with a stunning view of the sun setting between the palm trees. If you enjoy the video, please like and leave a comment. I'd love to know what you think. As we walk along this paradise, I can't help but be in awe of the beauty of the clear whites and beach, clear turquoise ocean, and the sky graced with vibrant spring colors. Sunbathing on the beach or taking a relaxing dip in the ocean, it's no wonder Jericoacoar is one of the best beach destinations in the world. And you can't miss the fishermen catching fresh fish or the bright orange sunset. The first time I saw this, I couldn't believe my eyes. I'm sure you will be just as awestruck as I was. I'm sure you will never forget this amazing place. We can't forget the iconic symbol of Jericoacoar, the Ceara flag. With its stunning black and white stripes and bright red star emblem, it's impossible not to be wowed. And don't forget the luscious green palm trees, gracefully swaying with the waves. As we finish up our tour, remember to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing adventures. Take this chance to explore one of the most amazing places on the planet, right here in Jericoacoar. Take in the beauty you see and enjoy every moment.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.